I think I should plus verb is used to say that you believe that something is a good thing or the right thing to do now or in the near future. Examples: I think I should start saving soon. I think I should work on my public speaking skill more. I think I should see a doctor now. I look very pale. I think I should stop worrying about these problems. I think I should sleep early so I can wake up early every morning. I think I should bring some extra clothes to the camp. I think I should get going because it's getting late. I think I should focus on academics rather than spending more time on sports. I think I should quit work and start my own business. I think I should part ways with him because things are not getting any better.